Okay, here we are. Hey, what's today?
Monday the 10th.
Today is Monday the 10th. That's Jennifer calling to say that she's not coming to work. Little does she know that none of us are at work either. Alright, so let's go out here and let me show you what we got here. This is like 8 inches of snow out here and ice is everywhere. This is the road right here. This is just a solid sheet of ice at this point. There's the old house. You can see everything on here. Let me show you this right here. This is, oh, let's see if I can get over here. Look at that. Look at how much snow there is. Look at that. It's like maybe 6 inches there. I got 8 inches in some spots. Yeah, pretty intense stuff. So, really cold out here, so I'm gonna go back in. That's our bit of snow. Key covered in snow here. That guy's got a snowboard. Looks like. That's the front of my car. There's my bush. But yeah, we got quite a bit of snow here. So I'm gonna go on back in now. It's the first day of work I've ever missed. But this is why. So that's what we're dealing with. Alright. That's the end of the video. Bye now.